Compost is praised as black gold, and rightly so. It feeds your soil, improves structure, and supports healthy plant growth. But here's the hidden truth most gardeners never hear. Compost can just as easily harm your garden if it's raw, contaminated, or unfinished. Before you add it to your beds, there are a few things you need to understand if you care about long-term soil health. Many gardeners assume that dark, crumbly compost is automatically safe. But if that compost was made with sprayed grass, medicated animal waste, or processed food scraps, it may contain persistent herbicides or chemical residues that destroy soil microbes and stunt plant growth. These toxins can survive the composting process and remain in the soil for months, silently wrecking your hard work. Another danger is immature compost. Compost that hasn't fully broken down can still be hot, meaning it continues decomposing in your soil. That process pulls nitrogen away from plant roots, causing yellowing, slow growth, or complete crop failure. If your compost smells sour, like ammonia or rot, it isn't ready. One easy way to test compost quality is the seedling trial. Fill a small pot with compost and plant a few beans or tomato seeds. In another pot, plant the same seeds in clean garden soil. Compare growth over 10 to 14 days. If composted seedlings curl, yellow, or stall, that compost is unsafe. If your compost passes the smell and seedling tests, the next step is to supercharge it. At Soil Doctor, we recommend turning your finished compost into a living inoculant. Try brewing a simple compost tea by steeping compost in water with a bit of molasses for about 24 hours. This activates and multiplies beneficial microbes. Pour it back onto the compost pile or directly into your garden to jumpstart microbial life. You can also enhance your compost with worm castings, rock dust, or biochar. These additions improve nutrient retention, soil texture, and microbial diversity, critical factors for long-term fertility. The goal is to turn compost from a passive input into a dynamic tool for soil restoration. One last tip: never plant directly into pure compost. It's too loose, holds water poorly, and can lack balance. Blend it with native soil or use it as a mulch layer to feed the soil over time. And always water it in. Moisture activates microbial action and helps nutrients reach the root zone. In the end, compost is powerful, but only when it's clean, mature, and used with care. A little testing and preparation can save you an entire season of regret. Soil is a living system, and compost is one of the most important things we feed it. So let's get it right. If you found this helpful, share it with a fellow grower. And don't forget to subscribe to Soil Doctor for more no-nonsense tips to revive and protect your soil season after season.